So people come to us when they are looking for an easy-to-use CRM, they found Pipedrive, and then they want a partner that is an expert in Pipedrive. That's what Evolve is. So implementation partner, integration partner, build custom apps, connect to your other tech stack, and then deliver your training and long-term support, because you know your business and we know Pipedrive, so we can be your fractional support there. Evolve also supports anyone that's looking to buy Pipedrive from one seat that doesn't just want videos on hand that they can find on YouTube. We've got the Evolve Pipedrive Sidekick, the EPS. What the EPS is, it's allowed us to embed our knowledge into the Pipedrive app. So any user from 1 seat to 100 seats can onboard themselves, get Pipedrive certified without talking to anyone, but they do it all in app. So we've got Evolve knowledge in the app. If we work together via a project, we've got our shared knowledge. We document that in the app. Longer term, the EPS allows the admin their side to create their own guides, SOPs on how-tos that they can then share with their wider team as well.